Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaelin Anderson, where we talk about all things mobile business, especially mobile bartending. Tonight I'm batching some videos and I'm talking about a lot of different things, but this video specifically I want to talk about 3-tier pricing that sells. So I learned this trick. I watched a video somewhere. They talked about pricing packages and how they sell and how if you really want to sell a certain level package, what you do to your other packages to get people to buy that middle package. So we're going to talk about that in this video. As always, if you like this content, if you find this helpful, please hit that subscribe button below. Please share any comments or questions that you have with me. I take as many comments and questions as I can, and I turn them into new videos and new content for you, because as always, I know how I run my business, but I don't know what questions or comments you might have about your businesses, and so they are super helpful when I see them come across to create more content for our channel. Okay, so in this video, let's talk about 3-tier pricing and what works. So let's think of it this way. I was watching a video and someone was talking about like ice cream, and when a company is trying to sell more ice creams, they will strategically market their pricing on their ice creams. So if the small cone is $1 and the medium cone is $2 and the large cone is $3, okay, super easy, right? Well, if their profit margin could be highest in the middle, but they want to sell, or the profit margin can be highest in the large and they want to sell more large cones. Well, you could move that middle pricing closer to that large, and then you can market, hey, our small cone's $1, our medium cone is $2.50, but our large cone is only $3. It's only 50 cents more to get a large cone. And now you're going to have people that look at your pricing and say, well, I'm going to do the cheapest because I always go with the cheapest. They're only going to spend $1. But now you're going to have people, those people that always hover in the middle. The people that hover in the middle are going to go, I'm going to treat myself because it's only 50 cents more. Because I'm going to get this perceived idea. I'm going to get this perceived idea of I'm going to get more ice cream for only a tiny bit more price. Like they feel like they're getting that added value. In reality, they're getting more of what they wanted, right? But you are able to make that profit margin. You're able to take that in because now you're going to sell more of those large cones because they're only 50 cents more than the medium ones, okay? So now you don't have this from $1 to $2, from $2 to $3. You don't have the set pricing. You're moving that scale and you're allowing that client, that customer, you're kind of persuading them in the direction you want them to go. So I took that idea. I thought about different packages that I can offer and my pricing. And when you look, if you ever want to look at my website, so it's pourspecialevents.com, if you want to look at my pricing, one thing that I did, and this is something that will come up in another video that I'm making, but when we talk about how you can be the most efficient and book the most clients, you have to be transparent. So for so many years, my pricing changed. It changed based on the clients and the event and where I had to go. And I finally said, no, like what price makes me happy to leave my house? What's my price? And I'm going to do that. And that's going to be it. No matter, I don't care if it's just a small graduation party or a giant wedding. Don't care. My price is my price. And that's what it is. And when I was very honest and open about that, a lot of things changed for me, which was really good. So we put the transparent pricing on our website. And what I did was, if you need one bartender, here's your standard $500. If you need more than one bartender, it's $500 per bartender. I used to give like a discount. There's no discount. It's 2 people. And if one costs this much, why would the second one not cost that much? Okay. Super simple. And then we have our mixers and consumables package. We have to lug them. We have to order them. We have to pick them up. We move the stuff like 7 times. It's heavy. There's a lot of it. So we have if you do mixers and consumables, it's $10 per person. If you do just mixers, it's $6. If you do just consumables, it's $6. So then if you package them together, you're getting $2 off per person. And it's only $10. That looks great, right? Makes sense. And then if you want like our ultimate package, this is where you get the mobile bar trailer, you get 2 bartending staff, you get our hydration station, you get our mixers and consumables package, all of that stuff. That bumps you up that starts at $2,700 for all the services included, plus $10 per person. So you take 27 and then you do $10 per person times the amount of people, and you add that to your 2,700, and then you get that. So when people are looking at different packages, or they're saying, hey, we have this event on whatever date, I say, okay, well, if you haven't looked at my website, here are the things that we offer. In your case, we could do one bartender for $500. We could do a bartender and mixers and consumables for 150 people for $2,000. Or we could do our whole Ultimate Mobile Bar package for $2,700 plus an additional $1,500, which is $4,200. So now we have $500, we have $2,000, and we have $3,200, okay? Can you see where now we have 3 levels? Most basic, you get one thing. You get your mixers and consumables in your person, or you get trailer, hydration station, all the things in one. 9 times out of 10, now they go with that middle option. So now we're getting the mixers and consumables charge. We're getting that middle of the road package. We added on services. They might not want to go all the way, but they don't want the cheapest. They don't want the simplest. Okay? So you can have your transparent pricing on your website. You can have them all there. But sometimes they don't go to your website. So now you can make packages for them and show them what's your simple, what's this. It all goes with your package pricing on your website. And you send that over to them, and they pick one of the 3, and you get their contract up, and you get their invoice in, and you have them make their deposit and sign their contract, and you are off to the races. So this is something that I just wanted to share about basic packages, what things you can do in your package pricing strategy to help you. If you want to sell more full packages, this is what you can do. If you want to sell more middle or old packages, this is what you could do. And just sharing that spectrum with the clients and giving them like a 1, 2, or 3, and putting your 2 and 3 where you really kind of where you want them, so that you can push people to those ones if that's the most important thing to you. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And as always, if you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Have a good night.